Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix the file is too large for the destination file system error. If you have received such error, just to follow this video, you can easily fix it. I here just to go to this USB drive F, okay, and here I am going to paste some file, okay. So I have already a, a file copied and I am going to paste here. So while I press paste, what it says, read it. The file part 4 is too large for the destination file system. That means this file part 4 has more memory than what is allowed for the file system you have in your drive. Okay, so here size is 11.94 GB. Okay, so if you would like to fix this file system error, just you can do it. What you got to do, just go to the your drive first. Okay, so go to the drive here. This is the drive, USB drive. Okay, and right click on it, just right click on it and go to format, and here see the dialog box and see the file system is in fat. Okay, so it is not allowed more than 4 GB, I think. Okay, in fat file system, big file cannot be copied. Okay, so you go to make it to the another one like NTFS. So click on it and select NTFS, and then click start format. Okay, click on start format, and if you have any file in your drive, that will be erased. Okay, so make sure that you back up all those files. Okay, so already available files will also be erased. So keep in mind that just they will be erased. So for safety purpose, you should make backup of the old files that you have in your USB drive. Okay, so if you don't need any file on USB drive, just click on OK without backup. Okay, and I click on OK, and yes, format is going on and format is complete. Okay, now you can able to paste those large file. Okay, click on OK and close this box and go to USB drive here, and now I am going to paste. So see, yes, part 4 is now copying. So in this way you can easily fix the file is too large for the destination file system. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.